Welcome to BezReviews, where we break down the latest tech. Today, we're diving deep into the HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop, a tower built for peak performance. If you're looking for extreme power for gaming, creation, or any intensive task, this might be the machine for you. Let's kick things off by looking at the raw power and core components inside. Powering this machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor, delivering an elite 24 cores and a 5. For graphics, you get the GeForce RTX 5090 with a massive 32GB of GDDR7 memory, designed to dominate 4K gaming. Memory and storage are equally impressive, configurable up to an incredible 128GB of DDR5 RAM and an ultra-fast 8TB PCIe. The OMEN 45L features a patented cooling system with a unique cooling chamber, ensuring extreme performance without thermal throttling. Overall, the HP OMEN 45L delivers an uncompromising performance package, boasting top-of-the-line components engineered to handle. Moving past the raw power, let's look at how the HP OMEN 45L performs. Connectivity is robust, offering a wealth of USB ports including a 40 gigabits per second USB-C, HDMI, 3 display ports for multi-monitor setups. This desktop is built for the long term with toolless upgradeability, meaning you can easily swap components using industry-standard parts. With a price point around $500, the overall value is good for the extreme performance it delivers, though the premium ownership risk is slightly elevated due to the split warranty structure, where PCONLINE covers the upgraded RAM and SSD, while, in summary, the OMEN 45L provides strong usability with flexible upgrade options and extensive ports, though. The HP OMEN 45L gaming desktop is an absolute powerhouse for those who demand the very best. With its cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and the formidable RTX 5090 graphics, it's designed to handle everything from the most demanding games at 4K to complex creative workloads.